Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and we have another class coming up via Zoom. This one is going to be sponsored again by the Amy Downs team with Place, and this is Generate More Leads for Free. This is a 3-hour lead generation workshop where we're going to cover a variety of topics and techniques to help you to generate more leads online. The record for this class is an $8.25 million buyer in just 30 minutes. And then I had another gentleman in Pennsylvania get 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. This is a class you do not want to miss. This is going to be on Thursday, August 22nd from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Central Time. The cost on this is free to attend via the workshop. If you would like to earn 3 hours of CE credit, Texas agents, then you can pay $30 to get the CE credit. And then we'll have an optional recording for this as well too. So we hope to see you very, very soon on Thursday, August 22nd. Thanks.